everybody, it's me Ruby, and as you know I did have another channel, my sister, but I wanted my own channel and my sister wanted her own channel, and my sister has actually got a channel too, and it's called Millie 2002, so go and check that out after this video. So as you know, slime has been a bit of a craze, so yeah, and I'm going to be telling you how to make fluffy slime in the UK. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to make this fluffy slime is glue. I got this 1 litre PVA glue from B&M for £2. So to make it stretchy, I got carrots. Shaving foam to make it fluffy. Glitter, because I know we're going to have enough glitter. And then I also have paint to make it colourful, which I got from Wilko's. Then our activator is Lidl's Formula 2-in-1, super concentrated, and it's £1 and it's very cheap. So yeah, let's get started. So first you'll need to put in your PVA glue. So I'm only going to make in a little amount because it takes too long to activate if you make a big batch. But you can make it at home because you'll have as much time as you want. So I'm only going to add quite a bit. So now I've added a little bit of my glue. I'm going to add a bit more if you want. So add a bit more because I want like so less. That's how much I've got now. So you might not be able to see it, but yeah. Next you want to add a tiny bit shaving foam because you've got enough glue. I've only added a tiny bit because if you add too much, it'll go too bad, guys. So I just recommend adding about that much. That'll do. So I'm just mixing it up now until the shaving foam is all mixed in. I haven't really got that ready. So when you've done that, I'm just going to add in my carrots. There's much stretchiness. And I only got a little bit of glue and shaving foam, so don't add too much or else it will go like a really not nice texture. Just make sure I don't really that much. And there'll be like little air bubbles, and that's when you'll be doing. So now I'm just going to add some of my paint. I had to leave this overnight because it was like a clay kind of feeling, so I had to. I have to get the paint. It's so hard. I'm just going to have to, scoop it out. I don't know what to scoop it out. If you can hear that, that's just my dog. She's in here and I think she's stuck with me. So I'm just going to let her out, guys, because I don't know if she likes it in here. I've just got my paint in. So I'm just going to let my dog out. Take it, Bella. So yeah, she just out there, guys, because she wanted to go out to my dad. And I did lock the door so no one could see if my dad or well, so yeah. Now I'm just mixing and it's like this. So when you've mixed that, I have a liquid in here. So this is glitter. Now it's time for the glitter. I'm going to be adding this. I got this from Poundland. I actually got the paint from Wilko's, if I already told you. And if you do hear any noises, that's just my sister or my dad. They're noisy. So now I've got glitter. I'm just going to add a bit more because if you like glitter, then you like unicorns because, I mean, who doesn't like glitter? I mean, some boys don't like glitter, but I bet loads of boys love glitter. But I know some in my class who do. Now it's got like a shimmer. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add our activator. This just makes it into slime because we've got like a liquid here right now. So we're just going to activate it. So about that much will do. You're going to add a tinsy bit now. And about a bit. And then we're just going to make so it starts coming together. The slime. And it's getting quite, now you can see that it's getting to like a clump in the middle. It's going to start mixing. Starting to come together soon. It's going to start mixing. So yeah, and this is actually my first video in my new channel. So yeah, she probably knew me a long time ago on my other channel if you did. So I had loads of views, guys. I have 180. I might have more now, I don't know. But yesterday I checked, I had 180. I didn't know I'd have that much. I I was only little, guys. I was like in year 3 and now I'm in year 5 when I go back, so I'm still a bit in year 3. I'm just kind of mixing it in. And this is coming together so good, guys. It's kind of coming into a clump, but still a bit of liquid at the side. So you're just going to make sure you've got to activate that. The laundry detergent. This is really starting to come together. Still a bit of a liquid, as you can see on my finger. But as you keep on activating it, it'll turn into a slime. And I've got like a load of slimes, which I will do a slime collection in one of my videos. So yeah, because I know you'll probably want a slime collection, guys. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure that it goes coming together. This is really coming together, guys. So let's just get rid of it. So you just got to keep on like gradually just adding your activator, and yeah. So I'm just going to make sure I don't lose any more storage. My video can only go to 15 minutes because I might be able to do it more when I get to like a professional Finnish YouTuber. I don't know because I've basically just started my film. And guys, this is coming into a clump now and the liquid's all coming in. It really is slime, guys. So you want to see it, guys, because if you want, I'll just turn it over the bowl. And I'll just get my phone and I'll show you guys. This is it. Just like this, and I will show you. If you want to see. So yeah, that's really coming together. Oops. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, let's get rid of the stickiness. It's not really sticking that much anymore, guys. So that's, I'll just show you my fingers because I want to show you like how much it's not sticking now. So now you just don't want to go and add too much, or else it'll go too stringy, too rubbery. So make sure you add about that much, what I did. About 2 little drops and then quite a big one, so about 3 drops. So now I've got a slime. Just going to start mixing. So you want to make sure that it's not going to stick to you because you don't want it to. So guys, yeah. Just going to start mixing until it's like a really good consistency of slime and it comes to a clump in the middle. So yeah guys, this is my slime. You want to start mixing it in with your hands and kneading it, and if it's still a bit sticky, just a teensy bit more of your activator. So yeah, now it's just kneading and it's not really sticking that much. So yeah, slime. And it's not the best slime making because we can't get borax. But this does not go to a wet consistency. I'm just going to mix it until it starts to melt together. This is so good slime, guys. Oh! Guys, this is so good. It's actually going back to normal. No, guys, it's actually going to slime. It's better than I just showed you on the table. It's not sticky. Okay, look at my fingers. So that's my fingers, and look when I press it. No. Oh my gosh! This is actually slime, guys. So yeah, I never knew this would be slime because I do know, but I didn't know it would be like right, because like sometimes in videos I had to get a lot of attempts because like it'd go wrong because of the glue I was using. I was using too much shaving foam, too much whatever. I don't know. So now I'm just going to tip this on the table. Oh, I'm just going to mix a bit more. And we'll do everything to switch, guys. I'm just going to keep mixing until it's not so wet. And this is it. In the container, slime. So yeah, if you really want to try this out and your like mum will let you, you're just like using like shampoo and all that, I recommend just using this because you'll have as much time as you want. It might take a bit less if you add like tiny bit, or if you do it like a lot, that's still okay. It'll still turn into slime. I'm just mixing this. It's really slime. We'll be taking this to school. It is summer break, 6 weeks holidays. So yeah. And I will be doing shout outs in my videos. So yeah, watch out for that. So yeah. This is actually slime, guys. Very stretchy. And it swells. And this is actually slime. Doesn't stick. This is just slime from when I was playing with earlier, because I do have sleds, so which, yeah. PVA glue. The PVA glue only works to make slime, so no other glue will work. It does make a better noise if you leave it, but yeah. This is just slime. You can make better ones than this. I might have like done something. Maybe I did a bit too much after this because it's lit. I don't think I did. Maybe sometimes it's because like something. This is how stretchy it is. It's even more stretchier, but yeah. Just keep on kneading with your hands. It'll go like this. I do have another slime that makes a better noise than this. It's just this one's quite little, but if you make bigger ones, you can actually hear them more. But yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you actually get a slime. At least you'll actually have one that can stretch and does make a noise, because they do. Because when my slimes makes a noise, and I'll show you. I actually did the similar. So this is it. Stretches. This is a different slime. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, I think this is simple. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment down below. Any suggestions to making slime so that I can do it. So yeah, and tell me if you like slime in the comments. So yeah, bye guys.